Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. What is the bank name for Revolut? I know that this can be a confusing question because Revolut is not a traditional bank. It's a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a current account, and investment products. So, what is the bank name for Revolut? The answer is that there is no bank name for Revolut. Revolut is not a bank, it is a financial technology company. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that was founded in 2015. It is headquartered in London, United Kingdom, and has over 20 million customers worldwide. Revolut offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card that can be used in over 150 countries, a current account that allows you to send and receive money, make payments, and save money, investment products such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Why is Revolut not a bank? Revolut is not a bank because it does not have a banking license. This means that it is not regulated by the same authorities as banks. Instead, Revolut is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom. The FCA is a financial regulator that is responsible for protecting consumers and ensuring that financial firms are operating in a fair and transparent manner. What are the benefits of using Revolut? There are a number of benefits to using Revolut, including no fees. Revolut does not charge any fees for most of its services, such as sending and receiving money, making payments, and withdrawing cash from ATMs. Low exchange rates. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates when you convert money between currencies. Easy to use. Revolut is a very user-friendly app that is easy to set up and use. Security. Revolut is a secure platform that uses advanced security measures to protect your data. What are the drawbacks of using Revolut? There are also some drawbacks to using Revolut, including limited availability. Revolut is not available in all countries. Not FDIC insured. Revolut is not FDIC insured, which means that your money is not protected by the U.S. government in the event of a bank failure. Limited customer support. Revolut's customer support can be slow to respond at times. So, what is the bank name for Revolut? The answer is that there is no bank name for Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a current account, and investment products. Revolut is not a bank, but it is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom. There are a number of benefits to using Revolut, including no fees, low exchange rates, and easy to use. However, there are also some drawbacks, such as limited availability, not FDIC insured, and limited customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.